Folks, if you cherish the sight of a dandy game of hockey, then you've steered yourself in the right direction. Jim and I are so excited about this one, we can't even speak.
Yes, we can.
Okay, we can, but we're still quite excited.
Yager shoots the puck. Salo hangs on for the whistle. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Salo stones him.
See what comes from reading the play, Jim? He was one step ahead of the shooter.
Salo stoned him. Carter. Smith takes the puck. Detroit gobbles it up. Yager. Robitaille takes it. Robitaille with a wrist shot. Saved by Salo. Zubov. Smith got the puck.
That was sweet, Jim. High five. Come on, don't leave me hanging. Yeah!
Robitaille. Timonen shoots. Scores!
Any higher, and the crossbar would have had something to say about that.
Neuendijk wins the draw. Smolinski. He has his pocket picked. Green. He gives the puck away. White takes control. Shatan. Smolinski now has it. Pisa with it now. Short pass. Gilmore grabbed the puck. Pisa. Edmonton in control now. In all alone. Pisa. Gilmore shoots the puck. Smolinski. Neuendijk had the puck. Fires! Snagged by Salo. Delayed penalty coming up for Edmonton. Shatan. Ninima will go to the box for tripping.
Jim, he'll be watching the play from the penalty box for only 2 minutes. Not too long, really.
Edmonton will need to play smart now.
Well, they've always got to play smart. They've just got to play extra smart now, like Einstein smart.
Like you, Don.
Not that smart, Jim.
Pisa grabs the puck. Zubov fires it hard. Ninima is back on the ice, meaning we're back to five-a-side hockey. Solani takes the puck. Detroit puts its second line out. He scores!
Funny how a goal always makes someone's day and spoils it for another.
And they've taken control of this game.
If the second period is even better than the first, then I can't wait to see what happens in the third.
Absolutely. Edmonton wins the race and beats out the icing call. Green takes it, shoots, saved by Joseph. Huge save.
Not much I can add to that.
Shatan grabs the puck. Neuendijk is a goal short of making the 500 career goal mark.
When he does make it, it will be a major accomplishment.
Salo hangs on for the whistle. The face-off goes to Detroit. Kuba shot it. Verbata gets in the way. Kuba gets hold of the puck.
Last minute of play in the first.
Backhand! Stoned by Salo.
And that save was all about the goaltender's confidence.
Morrow shoots it.
That's the first.
Detroit is enjoying a 2-goal lead.
So far, this has been their kind of game. As long as they can keep taking the initiative, they'll keep adding to their lead. Right out of the EA Sports Studio and into your living room, it's NHL 2003. Welcome back to the game.
Chelios shoots the puck. Salo made the brilliant save. There's a penalty coming up. A delayed penalty call against Detroit. Chelios is going to the box for cross-checking.
If he was sprinkled with pixie dust, he could fly to the penalty box, Jim. But due to our trade embargo with Never Neverland, he'll just have to skate there.
Detroit will play some short-handed hockey.
Time to see what their defense is made of.
Yzerman, breakaway!
Through his legs and back onto his stick. Oh, look at Mr. Fancy Pants.
Salo freezes the puck. Gilmore is down and in pain.
He's wincing with every breath. A sore rib or worse yet, Ah, a cracked one will do that to you. Yep, his injuries must be serious, Jim. He's heading to the dressing room.
That's sad to see, Don, but who knows? We could still see him back on the ice. Bure. Smith controls the puck. Edmonton picks it up. Running. Joseph made the save.
Goalie 1, shooter 0.
Lemieux. Salo makes the save.
Attention shoppers, the net is now closed.
The game is delayed while the glass is replaced. That'll make you think twice about buying front row tickets.
Those fans will be picking glass out of their hair for a week.
Nylander won the faceoff. White. Westland grabbed the puck. Weak shot. Save by Salo.
He takes pride in keeping the net 100% puck free.
Icing is called against Edmonton.
Tonight's edition features complete roster listings for both teams, player bios, and informative stories.
Carter. Carter fires it. Save by Joseph. Nieuwendyk gets the puck. Shatan has it now. Salo turned the shot away. Salo freezes the puck. Edmonton takes over. Ronning. Smith. Shot!
If he was trying to miss the net, then that was a great shot.
Ronning now has the puck. Detroit jumps on it. Shatan. Cranks it. Scores!
All I can say is, I'm glad I was in the arena to see that goal.
Detroit goal.
Lacroix.
By number 47, assisted
Verbata shoots. Joseph shuts the door.
When it comes to the net, he's got more moves than an electric trout.
Iserman.
Hit me.
Kuba, quick shot. Save by Salo.
He denied them, Jim. Plain and simple.
Krug takes possession of the puck. Verbata shoots. Save by Joseph. Solani. Iserman was offside. Green. Lacroix had the puck. Green shoots it hard. Detroit got it. Fires. Salo denies him. Green with the puck. Yager steals the pass. Robert, he scores! It just crossed the line, but it counts.
I'm beginning to doubt the state of the tender. He's looking a bit beleaguered. That guy had so much time, he could have done a triple Lutz and still scored.
The Oilers have had enough. They're changing goalies.
I guess it just wasn't his night tonight, Jim. He was letting everything by him.
Detroit is showing no signs of tiring out.
No, they're getting a second wind now, and it's blowing pucks into the back of the net. Watch.
Markkanen hangs on for the whistle. Bure took the puck. The ref indicates a delayed call against Detroit. Bure shoots the puck. He gets called for cross-checking.
According to my hockey knowledge, that infraction would warrant a 2-minute penalty. Sweet. I was right.
Detroit will try to work off a little time here.
This is where they can be really exposed by an odd man rush.
That's the end of period 2. Detroit in overdrive in this one, Don.
They've got the pedal to the metal and doing some damage, Jim. Welcome back to the game.
That's it? No witty one-liner? No obtuse comment?
Nope. I've forsaken my previously evil ways in favor of a drier, more predictable TV simulation approach. Gotcha!
Had me going. Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. Looks like the fans got a bit of a shock there.
But the glass is back in and we're ready to go.
Kuba is on the ice holding his head between his hands.
Yeah, he must be feeling pretty distressed right about now. Let's hope he's not out for the game, or worse.
Bad luck. I don't think we're going to be seeing him anytime soon.
Here's hoping we're wrong, just this once.
Verbata. Lidstrom gets hold of the puck. Lemieux rips it, grabbed by Markkanen.
He moves faster than a cheetah with a can tied to its tail.
Chelios runs over Carter.
He knocked him flatter than Kansas.
Delayed call against Detroit. He's getting called for cross-checking.
Jim,
Yes?
how long is this penalty for?
2 minutes. Detroit is in for a tough few minutes.
They need to break out the big bad book of defense. Chapter 1, penalty killer.
Robitaille fires! Markkanen turned the shot aside. Zubov. Bure. Shoots it! Stoned cold by Joseph.
He came, he saw, he saved.
Smith, running, gets called for a two-line offside pass and play is stopped. Smith, he dumps the puck in. Detroit grabbed it. Yzerman. Lemieux took it. Shot the puck, turned away.
His secret? Waxing his stick with Goal Be Gone. Twice a week.
Solani. Shatan misses. White takes control of the puck. Carter. The Oilers dump it in. Caberlet. He gets knocked over.
All he did was nudge the guy. What a farce.
The Oilers go offside.
Next Wednesday night is Unmanageable Debt Night. The first 5,000 fans through the doors will receive a $75,000 debt.
I'd prefer to see people win a game by skill and strategy.
I'm sorry, Jim. Are we keeping you from a chess tournament?
He knocks him down.
The guy said, let's go. So he showed him where he was going.
Nylander wins the draw.
He's working on a, you know what, Jim, but I don't want to say it. But he's really close to a blank. And if he keeps this up, he'll nab the blank.
Oh, I'm sure the folks at home can fill in the blank. Scores!
They certainly know how to make a goalie feel unwelcome, don't they? He's a risk taker, Jim. It's just who he is.
What?
Fine, risk shot taker. But it doesn't sound as good.
Detroit is now miles in front.
In fact, I'm fairly certain they just lapped the other guys.
Assisted by
Yager gets away a hard shot.
Williams and by number 92, Michael Nylander.
Door slammed shut by Markkanen. Markkanen freezes the puck. Edmonton has a guy lying on the ice.
Uh-oh.
Verbata looks like he'll be out of this game for a while.
But he could still be back. Come on, think positive.
Ninima. Smith denied by Joseph. Joseph denies him. Yzerman. Solani controls the puck. Lemieux gets laid out.
This guy graduated from the School of Hard Knocks and moved on to the College of Crushing.
Bure. Pisa with the puck. Green with a wrist shot. Great glove save by Joseph.
That was a great glove save, Jim.
That's it, Don?
How about really great glove save, Jim?
Green. Bure fires it from the corner. Blocked. Chelios takes control of the puck. Nylander got it. Nylander, Westland returns it. Pisa. Green, rink-wide pass. He dumps the puck in. Nylander gobbles it up. Chelios took it. Chelios, backhand shot. Edmonton now with it. Dopita. Detroit hammered them all night long.
But it was far more entertaining than a carpentry convention.
Carpentry convention?
It was one of those family vacations.
Three-star selection. Tonight's third star for Detroit.